Hello, my name is Misty. I am a tutor at the Student Success Center for San Juan College. Today, I would like to talk to you about a software corporation called Autodesk. Autodesk provides products and services in the areas of architecture, construction, engineering, and media. In today's video, I would like to help you create an Autodesk account. I want to start today's tutorial by showing you how to access the Autodesk website. To begin, you will start by launching your preferred web browser and typing Autodesk into the search bar. You will then select Enter on your keyboard. Next, you will select the website that has the name Official Autodesk Store Buy Direct from Autodesk. After the web page has loaded, you will select the Sign In button. This will be located in the top right corner of the web page. The web page will be redirected to the Sign In page. Underneath the button that says Next, you will click on the Create Account link. Once the new page has loaded, you will see fields that require your first and last name. Please fill these fields out now. In the next field, you will be required to enter in an email address. You will use your San Juan College email address. And because I have created an account previously, I will be using a new email account that I previously created for this video. You will then confirm this email in the next field. In the next field, you will create a password. Please make sure it has at least one letter, at least one number, has a minimum of 8 characters, and at least 3 unique characters. Once you have filled out all of the information needed, you will now need to read through the Autodesk Terms of Use and the privacy statement. Once you have read these documents, please check mark the box next to the I agree to the Autodesk Terms of Use and acknowledge the privacy statement. After the box has been selected, you will click on the blue button that says Create Account. Your page will be redirected and you can select Done. A confirmation email will be sent to your San Juan College email address and you will need to complete the verification process. As you can see, I've received an email from Autodesk, so I'm going to click to open it up. In order to verify your account with Autodesk, you will click on the big blue button that says Verify Email. You may now select Done once the page has been redirected. This brings us to the conclusion of how to create an Autodesk account. Make sure to look out for our other videos on Autodesk products like AutoCAD and 3ds Max because they are coming soon. Please remember that assistance is here and your success matters. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos on the Tutoring Center website by typing www.sanjuancollege/tutoring center/. You can also review our videos on the San Juan College Tutoring Center Facebook page by typing www.facebook.com/tutoring SJC. You can also access a menu of our videos on YouTube by typing https://www.youtube.com/channel//UC-D4GD-TKI-WP-L2F-TU0FY-V1-DNQ into your web browser. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and select the bell for notifications. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and please do not forget to like or subscribe to our channels. Stay safe, stay healthy, and together we can do this.